Hi, I'm Chef Julius. Today's recipe, I'll be doing a not-so-traditional Vietnamese spring roll, substituting the minced pork or chicken with sardines instead. Absolutely no cooking at all. I'm going to cut sardines in half, just like this, leaving the bone on. I'm just going to season it with a few cracks of Nomu black pepper. Set it aside. Take a bowl, room temperature water, 1 rice paper. I'm going to soak it in water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Some people soak theirs in warm water, and if you were to do so, it just takes 3 to 4 seconds. And then let it drain, lay it on your cutting board. Get some lettuce. You want to put it somewhere below the middle. Okay, and then you want to add in your sardine snakes. I'll just be using 1 fish, so 2 halves for 1 roll. I'll be adding the mint leaves, really nice and refreshing. Next, I'm going to add my vermicelli. This has been soaked and cooked. I'm going to add some bean sprouts. And lastly, chopped peanuts. This adds a nice crunch. And now we're ready to roll. I'll start from one end, I'll bring it up, and then I'll work from the other end, bring it up, and then on the area facing me, I'm just going to wrap it up. All the time pulling towards me. Okay, so now that we are done with our spring rolls, I'm just going to set it aside on a plate. I'll need to slice 1 clove of garlic. Just very thinly slice it. Same thing for my chilli padi. Thinly slice it as well. Okay, get yourself a bowl and half a cup of water. I'm going to add my bird's eye chili and my garlic to this. Next up, I'm going to add my sugar, fish sauce, lastly my rice vinegar. And so with everything in the bowl, I just want to mix it. So you want to stir it till the sugar dissolves. So before I start plating, put away what I do not need. I'm going to slice my spring roll in half before plating it. I'm going to spoon some sauce into my little saucer. Set it aside here. I'm going to plate my spring rolls. So I'm going to serve it alongside with more lettuce and more mint leaves. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Vietnamese spring roll with sardines. Enjoy!